Hello, my fellow transurfers, and welcome to another day of this Reality Transurfing course that I've created based on books, teachings, and workshops made by Vadim Zeland, the quantum physicist and the creator of Reality Transurfing. A card of the day is card number 9 out of 22 major arcana cards, and it's called A Sigh of Relief. The short explanation of the card is as follows. Reality transurfing is almost impossible without a relatively high level of personal vibration and of using free energy from within that person. And it can be accomplished by setting a goal, because the goal itself energizes, but only when the intention is actually clear and focused and not scattered around instead. So it is very important to make this focus, to get clear with this intention, and to perhaps get rid of some less desirable goals and obligations or burdens, so that that frees this energy and that can be directed then fully into something truly of value for you. So do free yourself in a way that you make a list of all limiting beliefs and actions that block your progress and block your free energy from coming out. In that way, your energy levels will immediately increase and get higher, and you will then be pushed in a way to move forward and realize your true intentions. Okay, so that's the short description. When we look at the card here, we can see a child, and we can also see some sort of guardian angel standing behind the child and watching his or her back, so to speak. So the interpretation would be that we actually have to free this inner child in order to then harvest, or actually grow and harvest, this energy, free energy, in the form of guardian angel in this card. But I mean, the energy that will protect us then, that will direct us, and that will lead us in the space of a variance and the lifelines that would be so much more beneficial for us. But in order to have this inner child freed, we have to get rid of the burdens that this child carries first. And we get rid of the burdens by dropping some of those desires and goals and intentions that are not so that are not serving us, that are not actually the best for our progress. So we need to make some sort of selection, what is important for our life and what is actually weighing us down. And a lot of people live with a lot of different obligations, unfinished businesses, desires that might be at odds actually with each other even. So it is important to declutter. And to make a small digression here too, me being a minimalist myself, I can totally relate, as when I have surrounded myself only with that which brings real value and harmony to my life, be it objects, clothes, decluttering your space, or be it also situations and interests that actually feed your soul. My level of energy immediately increased and went up. And as we mentioned earlier, in Reality Transurfing, free energy is crucial for moving along the desired lifelines, because only then we can actually communicate with the divine, with this metaphysical realm, and also our own higher self, and put this so-called outer intention or the intention of the universe itself, or in this card this would be this guardian angel, and to put it in motion and to work for us. Having said that, I would highly suggest actually looking into minimalism minimalism more. And because it is helping you to get rid of these excess stuff in order to clear the mind and free the energy from within, to then be able to co-create your life together with the universe. Also, people constantly worry about daily obligations and competing with others, perhaps. You know, they have this inner monologue. I have to be better than him or her. I will show others how much I'm worth. I have to win, otherwise no one will respect me. I don't have the right to make a mistake, etc., etc. And all these monologues and beliefs and even actions, daily actions, they actually drain you of the energy. So, and they're taking your free space, both inner and outer. So instead, try to relax and actually lower your expectations and importance about those more kind of false reality manifestations, and instead tap into yourself and see how much better you feel when you drop this burden of those expectations, of those false expectations, both from yourself and others, and instead start collecting this free energy to then be able to become the energy bender, so to speak, and then have it as your guardian angel to guide you and to watch your back. So with this, I will actually wrap up this card of the day and the meaning of it and short discussion. Until tomorrow, stay well, my friends, and try to see and declutter your inner space in order to then free your guardian angel and to walk together with him from now onwards. I salute you, and hopefully I will see you on my channel tomorrow.